Goudy checking in on another adventure. Oh, we're heading to Corbin, Kentucky to see Grant Hubbard, YouTuberee #2. I don't know if you guys were subbed to me last year, but it was, I think, in May, and this year it's in June. And the adventure continues. I'm going to take a couple days to get there. So, yeah. Alright, I'm out here on an Illinois country road somewhere out in the middle of nowhere. Depending on that GPS. You know what's amazing is I got this satellite radio, and I went all over Texas, and now I'm going over to Kentucky, and I've yet to change the station. I'm on 70s on 7, and that I might as well just tear off the knob. The only thing I ever do is turn it up or down. Alright, I'll be back. Bill Goudy checking back in. Found me a nice, real nice little electric campground for 20 bucks a night. It's got good Verizon signals. I don't know what it's got for any TV signals or anything like that, but it's got electrical hookups. If you're here through the middle of the week and it's not a holiday and you're over 62 years old and an Illinois resident, you can get it for 15 bucks a night. You know, that's not too bad. Or if you're disabled, you can get it for 15 bucks a night. But there's a couple other campers here, but it's a nice spot. Check it out. It's right on a lake. Yeah. It's let's see, not too far from Mount Vernon. I think about 30 miles. About 30 miles. It's on right off the Interstate US 64. So I'm going to stay here for tonight and then head on towards Corbin tomorrow. Guess what else they had? Will you look at that? Wait, just look at the goodness. Ice cold vessels of amber fluid. Yes, at the local mart. You can tell I'm not far from St. Louis. Oh, let's have one of those, shall we? They have some tent camping areas and they have some off-grid camping areas. I think it's $8 a night for camping in those with no electrical sites or anything like that. So yeah, it's a pretty nice place. There's lots of different, it's not very many people here. I'm sure it's, you know, I'm sure it gets busy during holidays and stuff like that, but it looks good. I wish I had my boat. I'd like to go out there and try that lake out. Alright, you know, I gotta get plugged in. This is what there's a couple of waves of rain coming. I am right here, and you can see, yeah, I'm just about 30 miles from Mount Vernon. It's the remnants of the tropical storm Alberto, I think. And that's the reason why I went straight south first, and now I'm going to cut across. I'm hoping I'm going to just hit just a couple little waves of that, and it'll all pass by and I'll come in right behind it. I'm hoping for the best. I really was going to go the other way. I can come back and around and come back this way, but now I'm going down this way. I'm taking back roads. I'm avoiding the interstates just because I want to see. I like to see the country. I really do. And yeah, I have to take some interstates, but I don't have to take them all. Dang, she just got me. You guys don't know Christy and her husband. Oh, I'm telling you, that looks awesome. And you know how much I love blue cheese. Oh man. And you know what? I'm stuck with a Deer Brat tonight. Yeah, and some of Aaron Nelson's brown mustard. That's what I'm having. But if I had the choice, I think I would like to try that blue cheese dressing burger, and that's going to be on my menu. I'm traveling, so it's going to be a while before I can get to it. Oh man, that looks good. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, I think that'll work. Can you see that? Tropical Storm Alberto. Aha. They're talking up to 3 inches of rain. Yeah, I can tell you it's a warm rain. That's for darn sure, it's warm. And then there's no wind, but it's wet. You know, big raindrops. I'm telling you, big. They're almost done. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna make it. I hope so. The wind has blown my cover off down on the ground. I don't know. Look at this, water coming in. Oh, we are talking some torrential downpours. I got no choice. Got to get out here. Look at this. Can you look at that? I mean, that just happened. Good thing I got a microwave. Holy cow, I'm getting wet. How can you see that? Let me wipe this off. I can't see it. It's awful wet. They look like they're done. I'll cut them open. The buns are done. Look at here. This is what this video is all about. Can you see that? Yeah, this is long overdue. Let me wipe that lens off, will you? Aaron Nelson sent this to me while I was gone to Texas. It's smoked porter mustard, coarse ground, and I'm going to have it with, with those deer brats right there. I made those deer brats, and I'm going to put them on the Ezekiel bun, sprouted grain. I haven't found the hot dog buns, not yet. I sure haven't. I'd like to find them. I think they make them, but they're not in my area. Oh, look. Oh, look at the goodness. Thank you, Aaron. Look at the conditions. Oh, I can't believe it. But look what I got in here. Can you see that? Let me turn the light on. That help? That help you, Annie? Look. Oh, Deer Brats. Some Aaron Nelson smoked porter mustard. Oh, I can't wait. Look at this. A couple sandwiches. Yes, I have my salad also on standby. I don't know. I'm going to eat 2 sandwiches. I don't know if I'll need a salad or not. But if I want, I can have a salad. Oh, look. Look at that goodness. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. Nah, Lucy's not with me. No, this is an adult trip. You don't have to worry about her. So, thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.